How you doing, folks? Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. I want to do a follow-up from yesterday's video about Cerakote trim coating. I showed it being used. I told everyone they can buy it at Walmart, $6.55. Absolutely fantastic. A nice pro product that all of us can get. There were a couple of questions. One was, hey, Scott, can I use it on different colored trim? Yes, you can use it on black trim, gray trim, red trim. It doesn't matter the color. It will work on all exterior plastic trim. The other thing, too, is somebody said, Scott, can I use this on a brand new car with good trim? I just want to be proactive. Yes, you can put this on new trim. You can put this on new trim. You can put it on lightly oxidized trim, moderately oxidized trim. I mentioned something yesterday. When plastic starts to get really bad, it's really chalky, it's really white, it's hammered, it's got these zebra lines in it or tiger stripes. I told you I check out and I go to another level. I use a coating, and I showed a bottle in that video that's black. It's a ceramic coating that's got a dye in it. You guys asked me. Lots of people asked me. I got my office at Scott. There's endless emails on DPC detailing about a video you did yesterday. What the heck did you say? Folks, I want to say something. My life is a little bit different over the last 5 years. You guys asked me about certain brands, certain coatings. You'll notice at times I back up. I don't want to talk about it. I can't talk about it. I have non-disclosure agreements, folks, with a lot of different companies. I am helping companies build brands. I work with 3 chemists that can build these things from the ground up, and a lot of brands come to me so that I can give them access to these chemists so they can build their own brand. That's how I work these days. Plus, I have my own coating lineup as well. But I talked about that black dye that's in that ceramic coating, and I want to talk about one particular company I do not work with. I don't work with this company at the capacity that I do with some of the other chemists I work with. I don't use any of their products and sell them or private label them. That's not how I work. That's not my relationship with them. But I want to mention them because they have one of these coatings that has the black dye in it, and I want to talk about it. So here we go. Here it is. It's Fine Lab. They have a product called Plastic Black Ultra. This is a ceramic coating for black trim that's really hammered. You can also use it on new trim, lightly oxidized trim. It works for everything. But when you've got really hammered trim and you need that black dye in the ceramic coating, this is a good one. Again, I don't work for this company. But here's the deal. I know the guy that made this. His name is John Seward. He's the lead chemist with Fine Lab. Brilliant guy. I want to honor the source. He makes this stuff from the ground up. He's not getting help from somebody else. He's not private labeling this product and then selling it under his own brand. I want to honor that. Also, the price point. You'll notice a lot of companies, I want to say something here, folks. There's not many guys that can make this. There's not many chemical guys that can make this type of formula. So you're probably using brands, or you're probably using this type of coating from other brands that came from one of 3 or 4 places that I know that can actually make this from the ground up. And price points are all over the place. I got to be careful what I say here. I do have some non-disclosure agreements, but when it comes to Fine Lab, with the black dye, with the ceramic coating, their Plastic Black Ultra, they're about $45, $46. Anybody can buy it on their website. I'm going to put it on this trim. Again, this isn't all that hammered. It's 5, 6 years old, but you'll see what happens when I put it on this trim. And I won't coat this area here. We'll have a nice contrast. So what you want to do is you want to shake this stuff up. I got an applicator I've used before. You're going to make sure you got gloves on. It can get a little messy. But I'm going to apply this to this applicator. I'm going to put a small little line on it. I'm not going to coat this whole thing. I don't want to kill you again with a long video. But I'm going to put some of that dye on there. And then I'm just going to go in here and start rubbing it into this plastic. This product, again, I don't work for John Seward. I know him. I know what he's capable of doing. I know what he's capable of making. He's brilliant. And again, I wanted to honor the source. I also like his price point for this product. It's only about $45, $46. Any of you guys can go to finelab.com and buy this stuff. You don't have to be a pro to buy it. It's a very nice product, very easy to use, very little goes a long way. It can be used on new plastic trim. It can be used on lightly oxidized, moderately oxidized. But boy, when you've got hammered plastic and it's all white and it's got those zebra lines on it, you're going to love this product. And for $45, $46 and going to the source for it, you're not buying it from somebody who's private labeling it and jacking up the price. be careful. Be careful what you spend for this stuff. With this one here, I'm very comfortable recommending. But there you go. You put that on there. Their instructions are leave this on here for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're just going to lightly buff off any excess. Just allow it to penetrate into the plastic trim. Even when trim's really hammered, one layer usually does it. You might have to put 2 layers on it if it's really, really bad. But I think you can see the difference. I'll zoom in here. There's the untreated side, right? I'll zoom in even closer. There's untreated. That's treated. That looks really good. Even though I haven't even buffed it off a little bit, I can always just put a little bit more on here. If you get some on the paint, just remove it from the paint immediately. Don't let it sit on the paint. If worst case scenario, you did leave it on the paint, you'd have to polish it off to get it off, but it's fine. It's not going to be like a nightmare, but I would recommend if you get some on the paint, get it off right away. But let me back out. Again, you're going to wait about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's say I did for sake of the video. I'm just going to take this towel and just lightly go over it. I'm not trying to buff it off the plastic. I'm just leveling off some excess product. That's it. And then I can walk away and we're all done. Folks, if you're looking for a ceramic coating that's got a black dye in it, Fine Lab, Plastic Black Ultra, made by a guy by the name of John Seward. He's making this from the ground up. He doesn't he's not a guy that needs to go out and private label it from somebody else and jack up the price. That's not how Fine Lab works. It is an exceptional ceramic coating. I know some other guys that make it. I'm not really in a position to talk about those guys, but I can talk about Fine Lab because I don't work for them. And I've been in their factory and I've seen this made, so I can confirm that they make it in-house. Fantastic product for really bad plastic trim. You can even put it on new trim to be proactive and keep it looking fresh, and you're ready to go. There you go. Go to finelab.com. Again, I don't work for them. I don't make any commission on this crap. I visited their warehouse for about 3 or 4 days. I wouldn't even let them buy me lunch or dinner. I keep my relationship with these companies. I don't make it personal. I kind of keep it the way I need to keep it, so I can always be upfront and honest about the things I recommend. John Seward with Fine Lab. Love you, brother. It was great meeting you. Fantastic product. $45, $46, folks, for a dye that's in the ceramic coating. Absolutely fantastic. Looks great. Let me see. Yeah, you guys can see that. That's easy to see. Look at that line of demarcation. That's gorgeous. That's probably pretty much what the trim looked like when I bought the car new. Hope that helps you guys. Love you so much.